Juggling working from home and her role as a mum is a full-time job for Amy. Her employer offers a flexible model of working between her house and their office.
I feel really valued. I never feel that my flexibility is a problem for them. In fact, it's something they really celebrate. And the HR manager said to me recently, we're so proud that our flexible working conditions mean that we were able to employ someone like yourself.
Of the 340,000 jobs advertised across Scotland, just 27% mentioned the ability to work from home, part-time hours and other flexible conditions. However, 70% of employees say they want more flexible options than they currently have, and many said they would be willing to change jobs in order to get that flexibility.
Many businesses still don't realise how popular flexibility is and how many people want it. So they don't necessarily think to say so in a job ad in the way that they would talk about salary or talk about something else.
For this Aberdeen business owner, the pandemic has brought about an adaptable approach to the running of their company.
Flexibility works both ways. So sometimes, people will be required to do meetings outside of working hours. It's good to be able to give that flexibility back as well, if something's happening with the family at home or COVID's still very much with us.
While employment terms and conditions will differ, lawyers say the option to work from home isn't always the perfect solution to managing work-life balance.
Interestingly, we've had a few cases where it has been a negative impact on the employment relationship. We're seeing cases coming through the employment tribunal just now as well, which have arisen as a result of situation during the pandemic. And sometimes, when people were at home, it was quite isolating, their mental health has suffered and they've lost out perhaps on the usual contact they would have with their employer, and that can really have a negative impact on the relationship.
But for Amy, flexible working hours means she feels more fulfilled in her job.
My mental health has been so much better, and I think I'm a better mum as well, because that part of my brain is being used at work, that I'm able to really feel like I'm rewarded in that, and I can focus on being a mum and not resent that in any way, not resent that all I do is look after my kids. So it really is the dream. It's the best of both worlds.
After the biggest shake-up to working patterns in employment history, one thing is for sure, the traditional office-based 9 to 5 is on the way out. Vanessa Taff, STV News.